Welcome to my channel. Arris router login not working? Fix and access dashboard easily. 1. Check your connection. Make sure your device, mobile or laptop, is properly connected to the router's Wi-Fi network or via Ethernet cable. Without a stable connection, the login page won't load. 2. Enter the correct IP address. Open your browser and enter the default IP in the address bar, 192.168.0.1 or 192.168.1.1. 3. Use the right username and password. Try default login details. Username, admin. Password, password. You can also find the correct credentials on the router label. 4. Clear browser cache and cookies. Old cache files may block the login page. Clear your browser cache or try opening the page in incognito mode. 5. Switch browser or device. If the login page still doesn't open, try another browser like Chrome, Edge, or Firefox, or use your smartphone. 6. Restart your router. Turn off your router, wait for 30 seconds, and turn it back on. This refreshes the network and fixes temporary glitches. 7. Find the correct gateway IP. On Windows, press Win plus R type CMD. Enter IP config. Look for default gateway. This is your router login IP. 8. Disable VPN or proxy. If you're using a VPN or proxy server, disable it temporarily. These can block access to local router pages. 9. Reset the router, if needed. If you changed the password and forgot it, press and hold the reset button for 10 to 15 seconds. This will erase all custom settings. 10. Update router firmware. After logging in successfully, check for firmware updates in the settings. Updating firmware improves performance and prevents future login issues. Thanks for watching.